Imagine you did a little cleanse and then you flushed out toxins that have been accumulating for years in your body, and you start feeling amazing, and you start feeling like a new energy that you never knew existed, a stable energy. And now you feel like your taste buds actually desire the more healthy foods. Imagine what you can do with your life. Imagine having the energy to do your passion on the side and start making an income from that. Imagine having time for your kids, for your family, and feeling good, energy to play with your kids, and not feeling lethargic or like you need a coffee to get by. So this is why I've made the cleansing program and the cleanse guide for you to jumpstart your journey in health and wellness and feel your best so you can bring the best of yourself to the world. So check it out below right now for a limited time. It's at an amazing price, which is almost next to nothing, but I have to charge something for you to take this serious. And you'll have access to me. You can always reach out and ask me any questions, and I want you to enjoy the process. So enjoy the video course and don't forget to use the resources along the way.